How's it going? I'm doing it a bit differently this time. I got gloves on. Given recent current events, might be a good idea. I don't know where this box has been. So just bear with me. I also had a comment some time ago. Somebody was maybe overly complimentary about my hands. So that's no big deal. Okay, so this just came in. Took all of 2 or 3 days. And once again, I'm having problems opening it. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah. See if I can somehow get this up. It's coming. Just bear with me here. Oh man. For Christ's sake. Why do they do this? Here we go. Okay, now, gee, that was tiring. Let's see what we got. This is wait for it. This is the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Cinder. Now this is quite different than what I've seen in recent months, in that we have a solid color for the most part. And it's got, although it looks like initially online it looked brown, but as you can see there's a tinge of purple on it. It's very subtle. It's gray, but it looks a bit purple in this light. Yeah. So look at the bottom. You know, I always like that yellow thing. This color here. The yellow heel color. It's a nice touch. Not that most people will see it, but yeah, this will look good. This will definitely look good. Do I intend to wear it? I don't know. Maybe. Have a look at the inside if you can see that. The paper has a tinge of purple to it. See that? There's solid color, dark colored insert, which is black. Just have a look at the pattern here. Yeah. And the laces are a almost identical match to the color of the upper. Sometimes they're a bit off or contrasting. But it's nice. So I'm going to put them on, maybe when the gym reopens. And I'll let you know what I think. Thanks for being with me yet again.